हेलो एवरीवन। आज मैं आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशो के बारे में कुछ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू देना चाहती हूँ, जो कि क्लास 9th का टॉपिक है मैथ्स का। ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशो आर डिफाइंड what is first question is what is trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio are defined as the value of all the trigonometric functions based on the value of ratio of sides in a right angle triangle. It means in right angle triangle की जो sides होती हैं उनकी रेशो की वैल्यू के ऊपर ये बेस होती है। ठीक है, आई रिपीट, trigonometric ratio are defined as the value of all the trigonometric functions जो किस पे बेस होती है, राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल की साइड्स की रेशो की वैल्यू पर। ओके, द रेशो ऑफ साइड्स ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल विद रिस्पेक्ट द to any of its acute angle are known as the trigonometric ratio of that particular angle. साइड्स की रेशो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल की किसके साथ, एक्यूट एंगल के साथ, वो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशो पर्टिकुलर एंगल की होती है। आई रिपीट, द रेशो ऑफ साइड्स ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल with respect to any of its acute angles are known as the trigonometric ratio of the particular angle. Okay, the three sides of right angle triangle are hypotenuse, that's called the longest side, perpendicular, that's called the opposite side of angle, and base adjacent side to the angle. I repeat, the three sides of the right angle triangle, one is hypotenuse, second is perpendicular, third is base. Hypotenuse means the longest side, perpendicular means opposite side to the angle, and base means adjacent side to the angle. Okay, this is the hypotenuse, this longest side is the hypotenuse, adjacent side is the base, and this is the perpendicular. Okay, with respect to angle C, the ratio of trigonometric are given as sine, cosine, tangent. These are the main, and it converts into the cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Okay, number one is sine. Sine of an angle is defined as the ratio of side opposite to that angle to hypotenuse. It means opposite ratio of side opposite perpendicular side to that of angle to the hypotenuse, opposite side upon hypotenuse. Number two, cosine. Cosine of an angle is defined as the ratio of side adjacent to the angle of the hypotenuse. It means adjacent side of the angle upon the hypotenuse. Okay, now tangent of an angle is defined as the ratio of the side opposite to that of the angle to the side adjacent to that angle. I repeat, sine is the ratio of side opposite perpendicular side to that angle to the hypotenuse. Cosine of an angle is defined as the ratio of side adjacent to that angle to the hypotenuse. Ratio of the side adjacent to that angle to of the hypotenuse. Tangent of an angle is defined as the ratio of the side opposite to that angle to the side adjacent to that of angle. Now cosecant is the multiple inverse of sine. Cosecant is the multiple inverse of sine, and secant is the multiple inverse of cosine. Cotangent is the multiple inverse of the tangent. I repeat, cosecant is the multiple inverse of sine, secant is the multiple inverse of cosine, cotangent is the multiple inverse of tangent. Okay, now the question is arise, what is multiple inverse? What is multiple inverse? It is the reciprocal of a number. It is the multiple inverse is the reciprocal of a number. For example, for a number x denoted by 1 upon x or x की power -1, x is converted into 1 upon x. The multiple inverse of fraction a upon b is equal to b upon a. It means that if we take the multiple inverse of m upon n, then it is the multiple inverse of m upon n is equal to n upon m. Okay, x minus 1 is a number which when multiplied by x yields the multiple identity 1. I repeat, x की power minus 1 is a number which when multiplied by x yield the multiplicative identity 1. Okay, so it's some few topic of I said few topic of trigonometric ratio. I will explain it again in the next video. So thanks.